আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আপনাদের সঙ্গে আমি আসিম মাহাদি। আর আজকে আমরা 2001 থেকে 2020 সালের ব্যাংকের প্রিলিমিনারি পরীক্ষায় কম্পিউটার অংশে যে প্রশ্নপত্র এসেছে তা আলোচনা করব। সঙ্গেই থাকবেন ইনশাল্লাহ। তো কথা না বলে প্রশ্নে চলে যাই। তো প্রথম কোশ্চেন যেটা আছে, which one of the following is the first program of Microsoft? Answer is same as DOS. Second question is dot matrix is a kind of printer. Third number question is what is the elaboration of VoIP? Voice over Internet Protocol. The buying and selling of goods over the internet is no e-commerce. First number question, which of the following is related of memory of a computer case? What does MICAR means? Magnetic link character reader. VGA standard for video graphics array. Which of the following is not a output device? Mouse. The add or remove the program utility can be found is control panel. Which one of the following is spreadsheet software? MS Excel. In computer terms, what does encryption of data means? Data is encoded so it cannot be read without decoding software. The volatile memory of the computer is known as RAM. What part of the computer interpreters and what is the part of computer interpreted the executed instruction that of the processed to it? Answer is CPU. The inventor of the World Wide Web WW Tim Berners-Lee. Each character on the keyboard of computer has an ASCII value, which standard for American Standard Code for International Information Interchange. Which one of the following represent the binary equivalent of the decimal number 23 10111? The primary job operating system of computer is to manage resource. When a computer first turns on or restarts a special type of absolute loader in executed called bootloader provides a connection oriented reliable service for sending messages TCP. Is IP packet must contain source and destination address. The last address of IP address represents broadcast address. What does router do? It network forward a packet to all outgoing link. In a client of server model, a client program asks for information. What is the use of forms? Is HTML to collect user's input. Which of the following is used to transfer file? FTP. Which of organization defines the web standards? World Wide Web Consortium. Portable program means none. When a computer is first turned on or restarted, a special type of absolute loader is executed called boot start loader. Each IP packet must contain source and destination address. এগুলো তো পড়লাম। How do the main components of the computer communicate with each other? System bus. IPv4 address is 32 byte. A hard disk is divided into tracks which further subdivided into sectors. Which one of the following represent the binary equivalent of the decimal number 23? এটা পড়ছি 10111 এটা পড়ছি। The machine readable form of a program is called as subject code. CSS is an acronym for Cascading System Sheet. What is the use of form HTML? To collect users' input. A computer port is used to communicate with other computer peripherals. SQL standard for none. Which of the following is not in OSI model? Internet layer. Bit standard for binary digit. A compiler means none. The list of coded instructions is called computer program. When a computer is first turned on, restart it, special type of absolute reader called bootstrap reader. এটা তো পড়ছি একবার। Which class of IP address has the most host addresses available by the default? A. এটা পড়ছি। Which of the following not OIC model? Internet layer. The last address IP, the address of IP address represent broadcast address. To check to see if the web server you are trying to is unavailable or is down, which command line utility should you used? Ping. Web host server is a type of internet hosting server. A proxy server is used for which of the following? To provide security against unauthorized users. With respect to a network interface card, the term 10 and 100 refers to megabyte per second. Virtual memory consists of static memory. Cache memory acts between CPU and RAM. Which of the following protocol is not used in the internet. WIRL URL is character on a keyboard of computer has an ASCII value which is standard for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. When CPU is executing a program that is a part of operating system, it is said to be in interpret mode. The primary job of operating system of computer is to manage resources, which one of the following represent a binary equivalent. Which of the following servers does not normally use TCP DNS? How long is an IPv6 address? 128 bytes. Bit works in which layer of the OSI model? Data link layer. Port C. Bit works is in which layer of the OSI model? Data link layer. DHCP is the abbreviation of Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Website without a database attached to them has which of the following characters? Statics information using HTML or JavaScript. Which of the following is used to transfer file? FTP. Which organization defines the web standards? World Wide Web Concerned. From what location are the first computer instructions available on Buddha? Rome, Boise. A hard disk is divided into tracks with which are further subdivides into sectors. Which of the following is not a peripheral device? Motherboard. Which of the following is an import attribute of RAM memory? Volatile. Data access time depends on all of the above. The primary job of operating system manage resources. The file system NTFS standard for New Technology File System. Unix operating system is a all of above. Dash is a system of counting using only two numbers 0 and 1 binary. Which protocol provides email facilities among different hosts? SMTP. Naval Describable a bit combinant of 4 bytes. What is the base of hexadecimal number of system? 16. Sport of the odd one out among the following basic. The basic operation performed by computer are all of them. The two major type of computer chips are both A and B. The brain of any computer system is CPU. The storage and capacity of magnetic disks depend on all of them. The two kinds of main memory are ROM and RAM. CD-RAM. CD-ROM is a none of these. Which of the following IP was used in third generation of computer? Both A and B. The output quality of a printer is measured by dot per inch. Which of the following storage device can store maximum amount of data? Hard disk. Which of the following is not output device? COM, computer output microfile. Properly arranged data is called information. What is the required when more than one person used a central computer at the same time? Terminal. Graphics reproduction portal. Which of following is not a processing? Gather. Instruction and memory address are represented by binary code. Which of the following is not a microcomputer? None of those. Which of operation is not performed by computer? Understanding. Micro AMICR standard for magnetic ink character reader. Which is not a computer classification? Max from. Which of the following is associated with error director? Both A and B. Signal can be analog or digital, and computer that process the both type of signal is known as hybrid computer. The word length of computer is measured in byte. A computer program that converts an intricate program into machine language called compiler, whose unit is known as never center of computer. ALU. Floppy disks, which are made for flexible plastic material, are also called diskettes. Which of the following memories needs refreshing? DRAM. Which of the items below are considered removable storage media? All of them. Which of the following is not a form of data? None of them. The control unit of microprocessor? None of them. Which of the following is internal memory? RAM. On which aspect the analog computer are between the digital? Accuracy. How many number would ENIAC stored in its internal memory. 20. Binary circular elements have two stable states. Which of the following is used for manufacturing chips? Semiconductor. Which of the following term is the most closely related to main memory? Temporary. The word length of computer is measured in byte, which unit hold data permanently. Secondary unit. Before a disk can be used to store data, it must be formatted. Magnetic type can serve as secondary storage media. Which magnetic type can serve as secondary storage media? Which technology is used in computer disks? Laser. Which of the following is storage device? All of them. Which of the following is a class of computer based on model at computers? Which of the following is a storage device? All of them. Which of the following is a class of computer based on model at computers? Central processing unit is component for arithmetic, logic and control unit. What does the disk drive of a computer do? Both A and C. Which of the following products the best quality graphics reproduction? Plotter. What type of device is computer keyboard input? Which of the following is not a true? Transistors were less reachable. Typical data transfer rates in LAN are of the order of megabyte per second. Who is of the most popular first generation computer? IBM 1650. 1 nibble equal is 4 bytes. Which of the disk format can access by MS-DOS 6.0? FAT. Which of the following memories need refresh? DRAM. Which of the following is the most commonly used encoding standards of Unicode? UTF-8. MICR standard for magnetic NIC character readers. What is the full form of AT in the IBM PC at advanced technology? Which mode Windows starts with any the core device or services? Safe mode. The computer code of reinterference of the information between the terminals is ASCII. Physical connection between microprocessor, memory and other part is called address bus. Which of the following is not the input device? Mousepad. Which of the following language that the computer can understand the execute? Machine language. What is the full form of RAID? Redundant Array of Independent Disks. Unique operating system is all of them. Which of the following is most commonly used HTTP methods? Get and post. Which of the provides reliable communications? TCP. Which of invented the microprocessor? Marcian E. Hopf. Easily reloadable language, assembly language. Which is the limitation of high level language? Lower efficiency. A characters of card system is all of them. Which of the following memory need refresh? DRAM. An advantage of the database management approach is data is integrated and can be accessed by multiple programs. Data is independence means both A and B and C. A grower is a software. RAM standard for random access memory. CPU consists by all of above. Antivirus software is type of utility software. The procedure of starting or restarting computer called booting. A megabyte is actually equal to 1024. Which invented the computer mouse? Douglas elaborate. Key to represent relationship between tables is called foreign key. DPI standard for dots per inch. WWW standard for World Wide Web. Who is the father of modern computer? Charles Babbage. The brain of computer, microprocessor. The brain of computer, microprocessor. Which one is not a word processing software? MS Excel. RAM is computer standard for random access memory. GPG extension refers usually up to what is kind of file? Image file. RAM standard for hours. CD computer abbreviation usually means compact disc. MPG extension refers usually what kind of file? Animation and movie file. How many byte is a bit? Is a byte? 8. Another word for the computer, CPU, microprocessor. TI extension refers usually to what kind of file? System file. Which one is not a graphic software? SS. Who is utility program could improve the speed of disk diagramation. Which one is database software? Oracle. Which one is not a graphic software? SS. In generally, which letter is considered for hard disk drive? C. Which of the following unit represent the largest amount of terabyte? Which of the following are you probably using if you are viewing Windows and icon? Graphical user interface. Unix is a operating system. In MS Word, Ctrl plus E is result center alignment. WAN standard for Wide Area Network. Which file extensions do indicated only graphics file? BMP and GIF. The goal to ensure the accuracy, integrity and safety of information system processes and resources in goal of firewall. Bluetooth is the popular name of the 802.11 wireless network standard. When electrical power is distributed or cut off, data and program are lost in RAM. MICR standard for magnetic link character reader. An error is software or hardware is called bug. What is the alternative computer jargon for it? Virus. ASCII standard for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. All computer must have an operating system. 1 megabyte is equal 1024 kilobyte. To move the button of a document, press Ctrl plus Int key. Who is developed Yahoo? David Flo, Jerry Young. Report C. MS extension. Back extension refers usually to what kind of file? Backup file. OS computer abbreviation usually means operating system. Who co-founded Hotmail in 1996 and sold the company to Microsoft? Sridhar Bhatia. DB computer abbreviation usually means database. The output quality of Premiere is measured by .per-inch. If a computer on a network shares resources for other to use is called server. A program that can be copied itself and infect a computer without the permission of knowledge of the own is called virus. A dash is a small piece of text stored on your computer, phone, whatever. Who is soft internet cookies? What does DOSPIS standard for data over cable service interface specification? What is the term to ask the computer to put input information in order numerically or alphabetically? Short. INI extension refers usually to what kind of file? System file. Which of the following command give the reboot of computer? Control Alt delete. Bcache is example for mobile banking. You must install this on a network if you want to share broadband internet connection. Router. Windows is an operating system. Which of the following is not a output device? Scanner. MPEG extension is video file. Which one is the database software? Oracle. Who is a co-create to Unix operating system is 1969 is Dennett Research. Ken Thompson. VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol. Which of the following application is used for calculation? MS Excel. In MS Word processing, Ctrl S. Result for saving document. Which of the following is not a antivirus? WinPro. Which one is not a word processing software? MS SQL. FTP standard for file transfer protocol. Computer instruction written with the use of English word interface, a binary machine code called symbolic code. When you insert and scale file into Word document, the data for paste in Word table. Which of the following process used to RISC? Power PC. What type of device in computer keyboard input? Plotter accuracy is measured in terms of repairability and resolution. The connection between computer at home and your local ISP called home page. 1 byte consists 8 bytes. Which is the first electronic digital computer? ABC. Fortran is the program language. What does Fortran standard formula transfer? What is the shortkey of spelling check document? F7. The subject of cybernetic dial with the signs of control and communication. How many bytes make a byte? 2 and 8. RAM standard for random access memory. C means subscriber indemnity model. Who is the legend of computer world? Bill Gates. Windows is the operating system. HTTP, FTP, standard for file transfer protocol. A ALU of computer normal content a number of high speed storage element called registers. What is the shortcut key of certain element is selected text? Control E. Which of the following spreadsheet software MS Excel? Which of the following is not an internet search engine? Windows. Which of the following is not a antivirus software? WinPro. The first internet-based news agency of Bangladesh, BD News. The add or remove programs utility can be found control panel. Type of software similar to and the accounts worksheet spreadsheet. Which of following memories has the shortened access time? SIP memory. What is the meaning of email? Electronic mail. Which of the following is valid the ending for a word file? Doc. With regard to mail address, the must always contain an read up symbol. 1 megabyte is equal 106 byte. The brain of computer microprocessor. Which of computer memory never uses ROM? What is means by LAN? Local area network. Pen drive takes the place of floppy disk. SPSS standard for what? Statistical package for social sciences. Which is not internet browser software? Netscape Movigator. Which file is run automatically if it is available? config.sys. MS Excel is a spreadsheet software. Which one is the graphical software? Adobe Photoshop. The computer storage program is memory. The command shift plus delete will send to file to be none of those. In generally, my document is located at C drive. To add or remove program utility can be found control panel. RAM is memory. Which of following is not a removable disk? Hard disk. Of the following, which one of the hardware system unit? The utility program is the improve the speed of a disk. Fragmentation. Which of the following is not an antivirus? Symantec. Microsoft is typing to buy which of the following search engine? Yahoo. Which of the following is the latest version of MS Windows? Vista. Which kind of the mathematics does the computer use the operation binary? Which of the faster computer? Supercomputer.
A light up sensitive device that convert drawing, print text or other image into digital form is scanner. Which of the following memory is non-volatile? ROM. Which network protocol is used sending email? SMTP. The operating system manages all of above. By default, your document print in mode. Portrait. Control N. New document. By default, on which page the header or the footer is printed. On every page. Which of those toolbar allow the changing of font and their size? Formatting. Dash software. The software which used to do particular task. Operating system. All of the following are the example of real security and privacy risks. Spam. The program compresses large file into the smaller file. WinZip, which can be used for quick access to commonly used command or toolbar. Operating system is most common type of software system. The process of transferring file for a computer on the internet, your computer called downloading. Verification of the login name and password is known as authentication. A special type of memory chip that holds software that can be read but not written. ROM. Background color or effect applied the document is not available is print review. What is the different font size of new Word document based on normal template? 12 pt. A Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Which of the following operating system does not implement multiple tasks truly? MS DOS. Information on a computer is stored as hot digital data
A what is web page that when click operating another document. Hyperlink. Which of the following is not term informed technology? Light storage. A collection of related information is shorter than deal with as a unit is. And the set instruction that the tell of computer to and to do software. Which of the following is not the protection your from spam? Popo blocker. Control their way to which the computer system. The fraction provisions means which the can be operating system. All of the following example of the security and privacy is spam. In order to the Excel that we are entering, our formula in cell must begin with the operator such as equal. Computer virus is a software. A Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Which of the following is not operating system? Protocol and dash are the introduced of in fourth generation computer microprocessors. Which one of the called the brain of computer? CPU. Which of the following is not a input device? Plotter. Which one is the largest space? Petabyte. The dash WinZip program processes large file into a small file. Which components appears in the Intel Windows Start Up display? Text bar. Which of the following is an the example of antivirus? How can you update the value of formula cell if auto calculate mode of Excel disability? F9. Which of the following Excel skin components can not be turned on or off? None of this. Which enables us to send the small letter to different person? Mail merge. Which of the following is not the section break option? Previous page. Every computer connection to the internet is identified by the unique 4-part string known as IP address. The rectangular area of the screen that display and program data or information is Windows. What is the default file extension for a Word document? Doc. Excel workbook is a collection of worksheet. In a spreadsheet program, the workbook contains related worksheet and documents. Sum B1 B8 is the example of formula. What fact will you use to apply mention effect in between a site exists and another enters? Which one is not a connection in MIR code, country code? Which of the following font effect is not available in PowerPoint font dialog box? Strict throat. Which factor is not affecting the processing speed of a computer system monitor? Which of the following language does not use any translation? Machine language. Which type of following error is generated when the program is being executed? Runtime error. How many byte address of IPv7 version 128? Class C IP address for a 24-byte network. Which one is the modifier key of the keyboard? Shift. In computer, why firewall used for authentication? Open system encryption OSI model has layers 7. Which one is the first 64-byte operating system? Windows X7 XP. Windows in computer system, what is the Trojan house? Malware. Who is one of the following protocol is used for receiving email. POP3 compiler transporter file of program sources code into machine language. All program languages repeat used to following contain rules syntax. When the bootstrapping program sorted ROM, which of operating does F1 key perform all type of application help. Which one is the first high-level program language? Fortran. Who is one of the first search engine? Archive. The job of ORC is translated the ORI of dot into text. A barcode reader emits light. Object code is the machine language file that tell the CPU what to do. The process of making object code from the one system work another system called a porting. Which of the following error the generated when rules of programming language violated? Syntax error. Deep Blue was the chess playing the computer developed IBM. Which is not the programming language is Blow. Tesla. How many bytes are the Unicode? 16. 1 terabyte function 1000 gigabyte. The decimal system. Which of the following contain the configuration information of the window? INI. In a spreadsheet, label can help you make sense of a worksheet contains labels. Which technology has made possible to pinpoint precision to the optical strings? Laser beam. How many generations are available per USB sensitization? 4. In flowchart, what does Blow symbol represent? Database. Appointment standard for advanced research project agency network. এই ছিল আর কি 2001 থেকে 2020 সালে যত কম্পিউটার আইসিটি প্রশ্ন এসেছিল সেগুলা আপনাদের মাঝে আলোচনা করলাম। তো এখান থেকে যদি কেউ উপকৃত হয়ে থাকেন তাহলে দয়া করে আমার জন্য দোয়া করবেন। আর যদি কোনো ক্ষেত্রে কোনো জিনিস বুঝতে ভুল হয় বা কোনো প্রশ্ন ভুল থাকে তাহলে কমেন্টে জানাবেন। ধন্যবাদ, ভালো থাকবেন, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।